Hello everyone, I'm Alex at Vending Machine Support, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set the price on a Crane National Vendor's 157 and 158 as well as the 167 and 168 snack vending machine. I'm going to show you how to set the price on an individual selection as well as the entire machine at once. Now if you haven't already, I really appreciate if you could like and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell. You'll be notified next time I upload a video. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, a great thing about the Crane National Vendor's 150 and 160 series vending equipment is that they price identical. So once you learn how to do a 157, it can be applied to the 158, the 167, and the 168 as well, because they're basically running the same control board. So behind me here, I have a Crane National 168 that I'm going to use to explain to you how to set the prices in this video. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is going to be opening the door and make sure we have the power on the machine. Once the mains door open, we'll be looking over at our monetary door, and this is a door that swings open. It's got our dollar bill acceptor and coin changer mounted to it, and we've actually got two keypads to us. We have the operator's keypad, which is at the top here, which is only exposed when the main door is open, as well as the user's keypad. Now on the operator's keypad, we have a button that says price in the top left-hand corner, and that's the button we need to press to enter price programming mode. So I'm going to press that button one time, and what comes up on the screen is going to be star versus a couple of prices. Now the middle price is going to be what was assigned to the entire machine at once, and the far right-hand side price is actually the price that was last assigned to the machine at some point. So to navigate our menu system once we're in price programming mode is we can use the up and down arrow keys to traverse sequentially across the trays. For example, if I press the down arrow key, I'll have A0 because our top left-hand side selection here in the top tray says A0. And if I continue to press the down arrow key, it will just start going across the tray sequentially and then coming back around going to the B tray. That's one way we can navigate to the different selections that we want to price. The other way we can navigate is we can actually put in the price on the user's keypad. For example, if I wanted to go to B0, I can simply press B0 on the display, or on the user's keypad, excuse me, and here the current price for B0 is shown on the display of $1. Let's say I want to make that $1.25, so I'm simply just going to key in 125, and there we have it. B0 is now set to $1.25. I can here, if I wanted to, jump to another selection anywhere inside the machine by keying in the alpha and the numeric of that selection, or I can again use sequentially. I can press the down arrow to move to the next sequential selection, which would be B2. Hitting the up arrow will bring us backwards. So here I go back to B0. If I hit it up again, I'm here at A6. Now I'm going in reverse. So that's how you set the price for an individual selection. So very quickly to review, I'm going to go over to A0. Once you're at the selection that you want to price, you simply key in the new price. Let's say I wanted to do $1.50. I hit 150, and then now the price is set. Now, if you make a mistake when you enter the price, let's say I put in 150 and go, oops, no, I'm sorry, I needed that to be $1.75. You can still enter in $1.75, but the trick here is that you're going to want to nullify the price or put in all zeros to clear the price out. So I'm continuing to press 0 until I have all zeros on the display. And now at this point, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and key in the price, which is $1.75 here. So 175. That's in case if you make a mistake, you want to nullify the price or erase it or blank it out and then put in the new price. If you'd like to help support the Vending Machine Support channel, I really appreciate if you could hit the like and subscribe button. If you'd like to extend that support, in the description below, I have some affiliate links. For example, I currently have an affiliate link to the Nayax online store where you can purchase a credit card reader such as this VPOS Touch and other accessories. If you use the coupon code VMS at checkout, you'll receive a discount and I will be compensated slightly at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support. Now back to the topic at hand. Now there are two more pricing options available to us on the Crane National 150 series and 160 series vending equipment. And this is actually going to be for pricing an entire tray at once as well as pricing the entire machine at once. So if you wanted to price the entire tray, let's say this A tray has got nothing but bags of chips on it and they're all going to be sold for $2. Instead of us going to each individual selection and keying in $2 for A0, A2, A4, and A6, we can simply just go to the A tray, enter in the $2 price, and have that be applied to all the selections. So to do that, we're going to press the price button, and then here I'm going to press A. Once we have A on the display, I'm going to hit Edit, and this now puts us into tray programming mode. So here I'm going to create that $2 price of 200, and if I press the down arrow here, that's going to save it, and it's actually going to jump it down to the B tray, but now everything on this A tray has been set to $2. So this actually kind of speeds up having to price your machine. Again, just to confirm, if I press A0, I got $2 on the display. Now the other step we can do, we're going to press exit back all the way out, is if you wanted to price the entire machine at once. And this is great if you've got your common price of the machine is one price, it makes sense to go ahead and price the entire machine to the most common price and then go back and do the individual prices or the individual trays that are not at the common price. So to do that, we press the price button. And then here, instead of hitting in a alpha of the selection, we're just simply going to press edit. So I press the edit button, and here, if I key in a price, this price will be applied to everything inside the machine. So let's say I want to make everything in this machine $1. I'm going to press 100, and I like to always press the down arrow just to confirm it. And then here it tells me that A0 is $1, and if I continue to press the down arrow, just checking my work, I'll see that everything in this machine is set for $1. So that shows you how to price an individual selection as well as an entire tray, as well as the entire machine at once on a Crane National 150 and 160 series snack vending machine. Now when you're done with your pricing, you simply can press exit all the way until you get to, it says please use exact change, or it says ready on the display. And then you can also make sure you can always hold in the door switch here at the top to put the machine back into sales mode as well. Now, I hope you found this video useful, and I appreciate if you could like and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.